Hello students, very good morning and very warm welcome to my channel guys. Before I start today's video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel, and if you really appreciate the videos prepared by me, then do like, comment and share with others. And guys, today's video is on IELTS Daily Exam Writing Task 2 conducting on 1st June 2024. Let's start with the essay first. Some people think that the government should provide assistance to all kinds of artists, including painters, musicians, and poets. However, other people think that this is a waste of money. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Budgeting is the priority of the authority for the purpose of listing expenses and income, and proper planning is done for it. The amount is allocated in different areas so that all get the benefits and no one is deprived of these. This is the reason the artists are also given financial assistance for the purpose of preserving art and appreciating their skills and creativity. However, some people consider it invaluable, so prefer using these funds for the downtrodden people. To start with the need to have provision for the artists. All artists are skilled people, so they must be appreciated by supporting them financially. Their creativity will get a chance to flourish and the society will get the benefit of their innovation in music, poetry, and painting. Consequently, cultural heritage is preserved and promoted, which future generations can experience and praise. Moreover, the other people will be motivated to choose these fields as their career, which will fill society with artists. These people are the valuable asset for the society, so their skills must be nurtured, as these can bring a dramatic change in the society if channelized properly. The awareness regarding local social issues can be created with the work of art. For instance, the paintings of child labor can aware the public about the harms it causes to the young ones. In addition to events such as concerts, exhibitions, and festivals, attract tourism and stimulate local economies. On the contrary, a lot of people in society are suffering a lot as they do not have food and shelter. Apart from this, they suffer from health hazards which must be treated on priority basis. Otherwise, there may be havoc. Their funds can be utilized in eradicating poverty and hunger, which help people in coming out of these problems, ultimately making society happy. As many nations have budget constraints, so it can be irresponsible to allocate funds on the art where there are pressing needs in other areas. Moreover, deciding which artists or projects to fund can be highly subjective, leading to potential biases and favoritism. This process can become politicized, with the funds potentially going to those with the best connections rather than the most deserving or talented. In conclusion, there is need to plan the expenditure made in budget which will benefit every sector of the country. The support to the artists must be balanced and well regulated to ensure transparency and fairness so that their capabilities admired, which will motivate people to adopt it as profession. The investment can result in creating a more vibrant, innovative, and inclusive society. However, the natives suffering due to poverty can be helped by providing free food and medical care so that they have healthy life. So guys, this is all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching till end. Don't forget to like, comment,